This video will show how to book and cancel appointments with the Patient Access app using your smartphone or tablet. A previous video explained what Patient Access is, how to obtain a username and password, and configure the app on your device. Please locate and watch that video if you need guidance on those steps. Booking an appointment online saves time waiting in a queue at the practice or on the telephone. Plus, this booking service is available 24/7, including public holidays. Let's take a look at how to book an appointment. Firstly, you need to open the app and sign in. To sign in, enter your user ID and password, and then select Sign In. To book an appointment, click on Book an Appointment. Choose a type of appointment to book. In this example, we're going to book a general appointment, although there are other types available as you can see. So let's select General Appointment. A list of available dates is displayed. Select the date required. The clinicians available for the selected date are displayed. Select a clinician to view their available appointments. A list of available appointment times are displayed for the chosen clinician. Select the time slot required. The booking details are displayed. You have the opportunity to enter a reason for your appointment, but this is optional. Please be aware that the reason you enter may be read by non-clinical staff and may not be considered until the time of your appointment. If you want to choose a different appointment, select Choose a Different Appointment and you will be taken back to the list of appointments. To cancel the appointment booking, select Cancel. However, to book the appointment currently displayed, select Book. An appointment confirmation screen is displayed. Remember, if you no longer need an appointment or can't attend, you can easily cancel them 24/7 using this app, thereby freeing up the appointment for other patients. To return to the home page, select Go to the home page. Or if you've finished, then select Sign Out at the top right of the screen. You can easily cancel an appointment from the home screen. Simply select the Cancel cross at the right side of an appointment. Confirmation of your cancelled appointment is displayed. If you need to book a new appointment, select Book a New Appointment. However, when you've finished, select Sign Out from the top right of the screen. For details on how to register for Patient Access, or how to order repeat medication using Patient Access, please click on the relevant link.